Hello everyone, welcome back to Tactim. Today in this video I will show you how to create LinkedIn account. At first, open your browser and search for LinkedIn. Click on LinkedIn login or sign up. If you have any LinkedIn account, so just sign up how the account was opened. But if you are new in LinkedIn, just click to join now. You can open your LinkedIn account with Google or Microsoft. I want to open my account with Google, so just click in account with Google. Again, we have to choose our Google account and confirm your mail account. Type your first name and last name and email. Now, click on agree and join. Okay, now you have to solve this security check. Click on start puzzle for confirm your security check. Now, set your location. If you are working, so type your job title, or if you are a student, click on I am a student. So I am not a student right now. I would fill this job category. Now fill this form with your job information. Okay, if you are looking for a job or you are not interested in any job, just click on this and click on next. Now here is the page. You can connect with those people who are related with your job category. So I want to skip this part. Now scan this code from your phone and click on finish. Our LinkedIn account is created. That's all. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.